Hello class, it's Professor Streeter again. In this video I'm going to talk about how to submit assignments to the assignment folder, how to take quizzes or where to go to take your online quizzes, and how to sign up for office hours. Okay, I'll also talk about how to access the discussion forums directly from the weekly content module. So in the last video I discussed the discussion forums. But I showed you how to access them from the communication menu. I'll show you in this video how to access them from the weekly content module. And so my general advice then is that for all of the assignments that you are completing for the course, that you go to the weekly content module to access them. I think that's the easiest way. Okay, so I'll show you what that looks like in a moment. But I just want to encourage you throughout the semester to visit me in my office hours. So that could either be on campus. I do have campus office hours, or on Google Meet. So, and that's a signing up for virtual office hours with me. It's in the beginning of the semester, in the middle of the semester, the end of the semester, throughout the semester. If you have questions about the class, concerns, if you want to talk about what we're reading, the writing assignments, anything, I really strongly encourage you to meet with me individually, okay? And set up a time to meet during my office hours. And if the hours that I have available don't work for you, you can always email me and we can figure out a time that works for you. Okay. So let me put myself in the bottom of the screen. And so again, in the last video, I talked about the discussion forums in the communication menu. You can access them here. You can also access all your assignments and quizzes and look at your grades here in the assessment menu. Okay, so I'll start here. This is a useful list of, I've just put in the first two homework assignments, the essay assignments and the exam assignments. There will be others, but here it has their due dates. Okay, okay, and then the quizzes are all listed here, and I just have one set up for the beginning of the semester. Okay, the grades will look like this. And again, nothing is filled out yet, but you'll see the scores for your virtual classroom, your homework assignments, your essays, your exams. Okay, and then at the top, it will weight the grade and give you, it will give you your final calculated grade here. Okay, all right. But what I strongly encourage you to do is to keep track of your assignments here in the weekly modules. So here you go to content here. There's the course overview, all right, which includes a description of the course, the syllabus, and the course schedule, where you can see the weekly and daily assignments and their due dates. I showed you the course information module has the course calendar, okay, and how to navigate the course. But the weekly modules is what I want to focus on here. And so if you go to the week 2 module and you scroll down, okay, here is the link to the Monday feedback for this week. Okay, that discussion forum that you can access from the communication menu, but you can also access it here from the weekly course content module. So that if you click there, it takes you directly to the Monday feedback topic for week 2. Okay, and then the same goes for the Wednesday discussion for week 2 right here. That's the link to that discussion. But also it has the link to the first homework assignment. Okay, and again, you can get to the homework assignment folder in the assessment menu, but you can also access it directly from the weekly content module here. So if you click the homework 1 assignment, it takes you to the folder. Here are the instructions for the assignment, a rubric, which we'll talk about during virtual class. And then when you're ready, when you've got your document ready to submit, and so the homework assignments and the exams and the essays all have to be submitted as docx files, Word documents, docx files, or PDF files. And once you have the document ready, you upload it to this folder. So you click upload, and then you you find your document on your menu, and if you want to tell me anything like this is still a work in progress or something, if there's something you want me to know about the assignment that you're submitting, you don't have to include any comments, but you can. And then you click this big blue button, Submit to Assignments, and there it is. Now I can view your assignment and I can assess it and assign a grade to it. Okay. So that's how you submit your homework through it's in the assignment folder here. Okay. And so now you can see something has been submitted. Okay, but you can access that folder directly from the content module in which it's due, and that's so week 2. Okay, same goes for, so there it is, same goes for the quizzes. So there will be a quiz due in that second week, and if you click here, it takes you to the quiz portal. It's not ready to be taken yet, but when it is, but it tells you how much time you have, 30 minutes to complete it. All of the quizzes, you get 2 tries. So if you don't do well on the first try, you can try again, and I'll grade you for the best attempt. All the quizzes are open book, and you have about a week to complete them. But once you start it, you have 30 minutes, and usually they're between 10 and 15 multiple choice questions. If there's more questions, I add time to it. Okay. All right. So the quiz. Once you enter the quiz portal, it'll give you a prompt to start the quiz. You answer the multiple choice questions, and then you click submit. And again, you can see your score immediately. And if you're not happy with your score, you can take it again. Okay. There won't be a quiz every week, and I'll announce the quizzes at least a week before they're due. Same with the homework assignments. The homework assignments and the quizzes, you'll have at least a week to complete those assignments, okay? And then they get submitted to the assignment folder and to the quiz portal, okay? And so that's all here in the content menu. And as you go through each week, I haven't completed all of the modules yet, but each week there will be a list of assignments and things to do, and you can access those assignments directly from the content module. Okay, so you don't have to go to the discussion menu or the assignment menu. You can access it all from the content module. Okay. Last thing I wanted to talk about is office hours. Okay, so how to sign up for office hours. Here is a link to it's in the syllabus. Sorry. In the syllabus, office hours, on campus or virtual. These are the hours that I have set up in my Calendly event schedule. Okay. Also, these are hours I can be on campus: Monday, Wednesday, 1 to 3, Tuesday from 2 to 3, and Monday 1 to 3, Tuesday 2 to 3, and Wednesday 9 to 11. Those are the times that I've set up in my calendar on Calendly. I can be on campus, or I can meet you virtually in those hours. If those hours don't work, email me and we can find a different time. But so how do you sign up for office hours? It's simple. You click the Calendly link here in the syllabus, and that takes you to my calendar. Okay, and let's say you want to meet with me on Wednesday, January 26th. It gives you the time slots, 15-minute time slots. You click one, and that will automatically send an invitation to me and to you for a Google Meet meeting. Okay, and so then you will have that in your calendar, and at the time appointed time, you click join the Google Meet meeting, just like the virtual class, and we can talk one-on-one. If you want to meet in my office on campus, you can still sign up this way and just send me an email saying that you want to meet on campus, and I'll make sure I'm there. Okay. So that is how to sign up for office hours. I will also include a virtual office hours link here in course information, so that you a direct link to Calendly. I'll include a direct link to Calendly here in the course information so that you don't have to get it through the syllabus. Okay. All right, I think that's it. I just wanted to show you some of the features on D2L, how to submit assignments, how to access the quizzes, and how to sign up for office hours, which is I really encourage you to do that this semester. There's only so much we can accomplish in virtual class, and the more we interact one-on-one, I think the better you'll feel about the class and the more you'll get out of the class. So, okay, I look forward to seeing you soon. Okay, take care. Bye.